Hello everyone, I am Om Jadhav, second year student of Information Technology studying in SPP University, Pune. This video is regarding my first task of GSoC's pre-selection test, where I will show you my Liquid Galaxy display and some of its app on it. So let's jump into it. So this is my Liquid Galaxy setup with 3 virtual machines. All of 3 are connected through NAT networking, and this is fourth, which is BlueStack emulator, in which way I have installed all the Liquid Galaxy apps, and let's test them. So first one is SatNOS visualization tool. So it has some data of satellites and stations. So we will first check our connection. We have filled all details and we are connected here. So let's view the satellite in our Liquid Galaxy setup on Google Earth. So we can see our satellite here. We can also view the ground station. So let's see the ground station, and this is the ground station. So this app works completely fine. Now let's jump to the second app, which is Smart City Dashboard. So here we see different cities. We will first see the New York City. Let's check the connection. Let's connect our LG Liquid Galaxy to the app. Now it will take us to the New York City. There are a couple of features in this app, like we can see health, education, environment, all of that. And let's orbit around. So it's orbiting around the New York City, which is working very smoothly. So let's stop it. So this app works completely fine. Now the next step is Liquid Galaxy image satellite visualizer. So we have already connected here. So if we want to image of any of particular region, like in Canada, the tornado region, so it will create the image of that region, so that we can see here. Now let's see Rio de Janeiro of Brazil. So this app completely works fine. Now let's look at the final app, which is Orbit Satellite Visualizer. Here we need to first connect. So it's connecting to it. Yes, we are connected. So let's see Starlink's satellite orbit. Yeah, it's showing to us. So we can see the orbit of Starlink. We can also see space shuttle, ISS. Yeah, so that was it. All the apps were completely fine in my setup. So thank you.
Hello everyone. I'm Hemant Srinivas from India, and I'm a student currently pursuing computer science and engineering. So I'm now currently here to show you my LG Rec setup, and I'll test 4 applications of Liquid Galaxy. So here is my LG Rec setup with 1 master and 3 slaves, each connected with the same IP address. And here is the fourth VM, which is a BlueStack virtual machine. So let's jump to the first application and try to connect this. So let's open this LG controller app. So I have already built the connection between the application. So let's jump right into it. So first of all, let's try to get to this location, CN Tower. So we are able to see we are perfectly able to navigate through this place. So yeah, so this is working absolutely fine. So yeah, this app is working absolutely fine. So let's move into some other application. So we have our second application as La Palma volcano tracker. Let's try this out. So I have built a successful connection with this IP address and port. Let's build a connection again. Okay, we have successfully done it. Okay, let's try to render a prehistoric map. So yeah, so we are able to actually navigate through the volcano in the liquid galaxy rig. So yeah, this is also working fine. Okay, now let's try to test some other application. Let's try to test smart city dashboard application. So here I already have a successful connection. Let's try to connect once again. So okay, yeah, I have a successful connection. Okay, let's try to navigate to a city, for example Austin. So yes, we're able to navigate to Austin city. So this app is also working fine. So yeah, now let's try to test the fourth application, which is image satellite visualizer. So here I have built a connection with the IP address already. Uh, okay. So let's try to move to a city, for example Singapore. So yes, okay, so we have actually successfully navigated to Singapore as well with this application. So yeah, so this is the overall overview of the testing for applications of Liquid Galaxy, and we have seen that all of them are working absolutely fine. So this is pretty much about the presentation. Thank you for watching.
Hello guys, I'm Roger Bison. I'm a 22-year-old software engineering student, and today I'm going to show you the Liquid Galaxy installation and how I installed it. So we installed it. I have installed it using the documentation that I found on the Liquid Galaxy webpage. I just had one issue during the installation, and that was that I did a mistake during the installation because I put the wrong octet number, and I put a different octet number on each machine, and it wasn't linking properly, so I had to reinstall it and use the same octet number in all the machines. After that, as you can see, I have a working Liquid Galaxy 5 rig. It's working properly. So now to demonstrate that, I will show you 4 applications. So the first application that I choose from the Play Store is Steam Celestial Satellite Tracker, and it's displaying the orbit of a live satellite. For example, in this case, we choose this satellite and display the data on the Liquid Galaxy. So the second application that I choose from the Play Store is the Smart City Dashboard, that we can display on the Liquid Galaxy any city that we want. So for example, in this case, New York City is moving to the New York City. So in third place, we have the Reforestation Assistance application. We can see the forest that has been reforested in the past few years. Now we are going to the Atlantic forest in Spain. So for the fourth and last application, I selected the volcano tracker. So we have to select one option from the menu. In this case, we're gonna choose lava flow map. It's loading the data, and now we send it to the liquid galaxy. As we can see, it's creating like a heat map of the zones that have been affected from the lava of the volcano. Alright, so that's everything for today. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.
Hello folks, my name is Rohit and currently I am in my third year of the college pursuing BTech from Calcutta, India. So I was really stuck installing LG for a week and finally got the solution, and here I am with my demonstration. So let's get started. So as you can see, all the three LG rigs with LG1, LG2 and LG3 are running, and the fourth VM, which is a tablet. So the first application that we're gonna test is image satellite visualizer. The first thing we need to do is to connect it with the LG rigs. So I go to the settings, I put my IP, LG username and LG password, and I just hit on set. So we can see that the connection is established. So it shows the images captured by the satellites for a specific location. Let's say if you are want to explore United States, so it will navigate us to the place where the image has been captured. So we can see that this is the image which is captured by the satellite, and we can see all the other places surrounding it. And the second application that we're gonna test is La Palma Volcano Tracker. So the same goes for this. We'll first connect it to the LG rigs, and here we are. So it gets connected, and now we will track the historic track map, and let's visualize this. Woohoo, we go. Okay, so it's successfully tracked it, and let's see the SO2 emissions also. Visualize. Okay, so it does it perfectly. So let's move towards the next application. And now here we are with the third application, Sat Energies Visualization Tool. So the same process goes for this. First we'll connect, and since I have already connected, so let's visualize this in LG. Okay, if you see, this is working very properly. If we want to zoom in, yep, we can play around this. Let's visualize the another one. Okay, there we go. And yep, it drops me right there. Okay, so this is ground stations, Satyagi. Okay, so let's move towards the last application. Okay, so the fourth application that we are going to test is the rocket launcher app. So the same process again, the LG manager. First we're going to connect this. Okay, we are connected, and let's visualize. So if you see, this is right here, and yep, it is working fine with the fourth application also. When you're going to visualize this, and it will just take us through the places where the rocket is going to be launched. So this is all about the demonstration. So thank you for watching